If you're looking to make money online, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a burning question. Is Shopify a scam? Let's start by understanding what Shopify actually is. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that allows anyone to set up an online store and sell products. Whether you're selling physical goods, digital products, or even services, Shopify provides the tools you need to build and manage your store. It's user-friendly, offers a wide range of customizable templates, and integrates with various apps to help you market and manage your business efficiently. So, is Shopify a scam? Absolutely not. Shopify is a legitimate platform used by over 1 million businesses worldwide, from small startups to big brands like Gymshark and Red Bull. But here's where the confusion comes in. Some people think Shopify is a get-rich-quick scheme, where you just set up a store and watch the money roll in. The truth is, Shopify is not a shortcut to instant wealth. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can help you build a successful online business, but it requires effort, strategy, and persistence. Beware of the so-called gurus who promise you overnight success with Shopify if you buy their expensive courses. These people often oversimplify the process, leaving out the hard work and dedication needed to truly succeed. Shopify itself is not the scam, but the unrealistic promises made by some marketers are. Always do your research and be skeptical of anything that sounds too good to be true. First, do thorough market research. Understand your niche, your target audience, and what they're looking for. Second, focus on quality products and great customer service. Your reputation matters, and customer reviews can make or break your business. Third, invest time in marketing. Whether it's through social media, email marketing, or SEO, driving traffic to your store is crucial. Shopify provides tools and integrations to help with this, but you need to actively work on getting your products in front of potential customers. So, to sum it up, Shopify is not a scam. It's a powerful platform for those willing to put in the work. But remember, success on Shopify isn't guaranteed. It's earned through effort, strategy, and persistence. If you're ready to start your Shopify journey or want more tips on how to succeed online, make sure to subscribe to Prosperity Portal and hit the notification bell. We're here to help you every step of the way.